So I got a 2008 Ford Escape. It's no start, no crank, and it's a bad ignition switch. But I just want to show you a quick way to test it. Pretty easy. So I'll show you this. Car's running right now. I'm just going to shut it off. All right. And I'll get you a shot here. Hold on a second. So right there's the ignition switch, of course. We're just going to put it in the run position. Let me shut this off. Try to crank it. I got nothing. And let's see, we're going to take, we need our 12 volt feed from the battery on a test light. So I've got a test light hooked to battery positive, and I'm just going to touch the power feed that goes to the diode that runs the relay. But I'm going to hit the power feed on the connector side on the ignition switch itself, which is right here. It is a blue-white wire. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It's right there. So I'll just go ahead and touch that. And there you go, vehicle starts. Pretty cool. Needs an ignition switch, 100%, no doubt.